Big news for smartphone fans. OnePlus has officially confirmed that it will no longer launch new products in the US and Europe. But what does this really mean? So, OnePlus says this decision is part of a global business restructuring. Future smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and other new OnePlus devices will not be officially released in those regions. If you already own a OnePlus phone, don't worry. The company has confirmed that existing devices will continue to receive software updates, warranty support, and customer service. So, why is this happening? Industry analyst points to several reasons. Strong competition between Apple and Samsung, lower market share in Western countries, challenges with carrier partnerships, and overall business performance. Instead, OnePlus is expected to focus more on markets where it remains stronger, such as China and parts of Asia. This remarks the end of an important chapter for OnePlus, a brand that became famous as the flagship killer by offering premium smartphones at affordable price. So what do you think? Is this the right move for OnePlus? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech updates.